next couple of days, we are going to work on coding. Now, if you are a third grader, this is going to be your first time going to the website Tynker. If you are a fourth grader and you were with me last year, then you will already have an account for Tynker, and we'll just continue where you left off. So we have a link right here to Tynker. When we click on it, it's going to take us to a sign-in page. Now, if you are a third grader or a new student this year to Rutherford, you're going to click the little Google sign in right here. If you were here last year, your account is going to be under just your username and password like you used to log into the computer, so you would type that here. So if you are a third grader or a student that was not here last year, you want to click the Google button right here. And then you'll see your email address pop up. You'll click on it. I think you have to click it twice. And then your password, all that information should be saved in there. So you shouldn't have to type it every time. And then you're going to get logged in. Once you are logged in, you're going to see where it asks for your experience level with coding. So if you don't know much about coding, just put beginner. If you know a little bit, intermediate. If you know a lot, then put advanced. I'm logged in as Carissa. I'm just going to put her as a beginner. It doesn't really matter, but and then these are interests here. You can uncheck some if you want. I'm just going to leave them all checked and click done. Now, yes, we see lots of cool things here, but what I want you to focus on first is this little monster right here. We're going to click on him, and you are going to start at Candy Quest. Now, some fourth graders that played last year might already have some of this completed, maybe even all of this completed. If you have that done, then you can move on to one of these other sections: Animated Card Creator, Dragon Dash, Comic Creator, Pattern Maker. So when you start, it's going to give you a percentage as you work through it. But this is block coding. So you have to pick your character, and I'm going to go back out because I don't want to pick her character for her. But you're going to pick your character, and then you're going to use block coding to make your character move. I'm going to move over to another page in just a second so I can show you what it looks like. If you ever get lost, you can always go back here to your dashboard and click back on him, or you can go into your class's page and you can find the lessons there as well. So once you're in, you have different sections. You're going to follow them in order through the dotted lines. So you're going to click, the first one was create your character. I'm going to go to the puzzle to show you quickly how the block coding works in case you don't know already. So it's going to take you through this. It says, look at Jelly Bean, click anywhere to continue. So I keep walking through this, and it's going to show me what I'm talking about right now. Have me practice making my block coding. So we have the block on start, and then we have our walk block over here. Now, if we don't connect them, it will not work. You have to make them connected. They have to snap together. The little tab has to go into the little cutout for the tab. Once we're ready, our play button to try it out, our start button, is the orange circle down at the bottom. So then once we do it, we try it out. It didn't work. Okay, that's fine. We can always try something else. We can add to it. We can take it away. It is totally fine if it doesn't work right the very first time. So he walked once, but he didn't get to the jelly bean. That tells me he didn't walk far enough. So we need 2 walk blocks. Now when we try it, walk 1, walk 2. Now he got to the jelly bean. So remember, it is totally okay if you do not get it right the first time. Since I now got it, I got 2 stars, and I'm going to click next. It will continue moving me on through the puzzles. Up here you can see there are 8 different puzzles in this section that I'm going to work towards. And as you go, it will add in more different kinds of blocks and things that it wants me to do. So you're just going to continue working, get as far as you can today. We'll pick it back up tomorrow.